Hey guys, welcome to the lead magnet package review. So, what is lead magnet package? It is a legally copy and paste for ready to go lead generation funnel that will effortlessly attract thousands of targeted hungry buyers to jump into your list starting right now. Get instant access right now by logging on to the link given below in the description box. Yes, you'll get full private legal rights to this material that will help you build your list at lightning speed. Dear friend, how many times have you heard from the guru marketers that the way you get on the internet marketing leaderboard is to mail your list? Do you want to make the big money from affiliate marketing? Do you want to create some of these famous instant 5-figure playdates? Are you looking for easy? Almost every sensible internet marketer says this, and you know it's true, the money is in the list. You know that to break into the big league and actually make serious money online, you are going to have to get yourself a list, a big responsive list, a responsive list filled with bursting with excited ravenous subscribers waving their cash at you and begging to buy the products and service that you recommended. And you need a big and profitable list today. The fact is that you need a simple effective way to build that list, and money is time is money. So you need to get your subscribers today. The goal with building a profitable list is to have a cash pulling lead capture machine working for you 24/7, getting subscribers excited to see you offers, automatically adding them to your autoresponder, and then marketing money offers to them. What if you are just a regular person with a burning desire to succeed, but not just in the way of guru skills or big bucks budget right now? What if you understand that every day you don't have a list in a day is a day further away from financial freedom? What if you need to start making money online this week, not next year or never? What if you just want to get started right now? Nobody seems to have an answer, at least not one that costs less than $1,000. Well, it, I don't like that. It's not your fault, and you should be taken advantage of. So I decided to do something about it. To create a system anyone can use and anyone can afford, that requires no skill, technical skill, whatever, so on, which can be implemented within minutes without paying a penny in outsourcing fee. So, log in into the link given below in the description box. If you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you a free ebook. So just contact me on my Instagram ID. Send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased the product through my link, and I'll send you the ebook link. I have attached the best buy link, so give it a go in the description box. Thank you.